Designing for deconstruction is a critical step in creating a more circular, lower carbon built environment. It involves designing buildings and spaces in a way that prioritises the ability to easily and safely disassemble and reuse materials at the end of their life cycle. This can be achieved through the use of easy-to-disassemble materials like timber, steel, and aluminium, construction techniques that support disassembly such as mechanical and magnetic fixings, and creating modular structures that can be easily broken down into smaller parts. This saves time, reduces waste, and minimises the environmental and carbon impact of building construction and demolition, resulting in spaces that can be adapted, reused, or recycled, reducing the need for new raw materials to be extracted and consumed. By incorporating the concept of deconstruction into the design phase, it will increase the likelihood of materials being reused or recycled on and off site. And capturing the details of the work in an O&M manual or a standalone deconstruction guide helps anyone understand how to deconstruct the space to maximize resource efficiency. Visit our website to find out more.